Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day today. Today is the day that we start on this garage project. Making this garage a garage again. So first things first, let's get our tools out, see what we need, get these screws off on these 2x4s going up here. Look like they started building a closet. Just take this frame part off, get the shelf off, and go from there. Alright, got the closet area cleaned up. Got the big TV that was there out of the way, the sleeping bags, the camping stuff kind of moved out of the way. I think first thing, let's remove this rack, get that out of the way, and then we'll work on these 2x4s. And then kind of figure out how this right down here is put together. I know that's like plywood down here. So probably just hammer that out. But yeah, let's get you on the tripod and let's get to work. Middle part of the closet that they were building out, like the support here, and then I realized that none of this framing is screwed in, and so like all this is loose. I mean, it's super tight fit. None of that's screwed in. Not sure if that's, I don't know, I'm not a carpenter, but I did notice that the 2x4s go down all the way to the floor here, so I'm gonna have to remove this, some plywood right here, and then this little like running board, remove that. There's some screws along the side. I'll have to try to get the paint out, but yeah, so I'll remove this, see if it's screwed in at the bottom there, and then get this taken down. Closet framing all taken out. The only thing left is the drywall. I got all the 2x4s out, and then I got the trim piece right here. I'll be using that to extend it down to the garage door. First I need to clean up all these screws, then we'll tackle this drywall, take that down. But you can see the garage door right there. So let me get this cleaned up. I'm gonna tackle this. Got to the garage door, so let's go check it out, see what they did and what we have to do to fix it to make it work again. As you saw in the last clip, they had two pieces of plywood hanging up. That's what the drywall was screwed into. The plywood was just screwed into the metal here, and then not sure if this is a small piece like that or they just cut it you know, it's a 90-degree, so we'll just have to get that. And then the track that runs across each side of the wall. And then down here, they put some spray foam in, so I'll have to pick all this out. They did put insulation in here. I don't know if I should keep it or not. Let me know what you think. So to keep the insulation on, you know, clean up probably. And then garage door. I don't have a key for it. I asked about when we moved, but it looks like I can just open it up here, just loosen it, and unlock it. So that's good. And same thing over here. Just need to extend the track. Yeah, but it looks like the garage was an automatic garage door at one point. There's a little keypad on the outside of the garage, but most likely we'll just keep it manual since this is a small one-car garage, and also that I'm not, you know, putting my daily in here, so I'm not going in and out throughout the day. But yeah, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for the video. I kind of cleaned up a little bit, got rid of the wood. We'll just put it out under the patio in the back. And yeah, I'll probably chip away at this foam later, and then probably tomorrow go look and see what I need for the track and how long it needs to be. Kind of do some research on that. Well, that's going to wrap it up for episode number 1 of Checkmate Garage Build. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's something new, something kind of fun to do. I did get my overhead storage from Gladiator that came in just today, so that'll be something I'll be installing. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, leave a thumbs up, comment anything down below. Until next time, peace out. It looks like this garage door was automatic. What is it called? Powered? Not manual. Whatever.